Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to archive a community on WhatsApp right from your computer. If you're managing several communities or just want to stay organized, the new WhatsApp update makes it incredibly simple to clean up your sidebar without losing any important information. Let's go through it step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version because this feature appears only in the updated desktop app. Once it's open, you'll see all your chats and communities listed on the left side, just like on your phone. Next, find the community you want to archive. It could be a work group, a neighborhood chat, or any community that's no longer active but you don't want to delete completely. Simply right-click on the community's name. A small menu will appear on your screen with several options. From that menu, click Archive Chat. As soon as you select it, the community will disappear from your main chat list and move to the archive section. This helps you keep your interface clean while still allowing you to access messages whenever you need them later. If you ever want to view your archived communities, scroll all the way to the bottom of your chat list. There you'll find an archived option. Click it and all your archived chats and communities will be neatly stored there. You can open any of them, unarchive them, or just read through old messages without cluttering your main workspace. Archiving is not the same as deleting. Nothing is lost and the community will automatically come back to your main list if a new message is received. It's a great way to stay organized, especially if you manage multiple communities at once. So the next time your WhatsApp list feels a little overwhelming, just remember these 3 simple steps. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Right-click the community and click Archive Chat. Keep your workspace tidy, stay productive, and enjoy the streamlined WhatsApp experience.